Hello, I'm Gordon Ritchie with Kollmorgen, and this is 2 Minutes of Motion. Home types 8, 9, and 10, move until position error exceeded, are commonly called homing to a hard stop. These home types can be used when there is a finite amount of travel, but there are no end of travel limits. In some applications, such as clamping a part, it is desired to know where the motion physically stops. Using home types 8, 9, and 10, we can configure the drive to run the load up to this point. Since the load is moving towards a known hard stop, there are several parameters that must be set correctly to prevent damage to the mechanical components. Acceleration and deceleration should be reduced to a very low level. Velocity should be reduced as well to prevent slamming the load into the hard stop. Position lag needs to be set high enough to cope with errors generated during acceleration, yet low enough to prevent excessive time at the hard stop. Most importantly, the peak current needs to be set high enough to overcome frictions in the system, but low enough to prevent physical damage to the components. Start with a low current setting and increase it until there are no nuisance stops. Homing to a hard stop is a very useful method for finding the physical end of travel. If the hard stop is a soft material, keep in mind that the actual position can change with temperature. Using modes 9 and 10 provides that added accuracy that comes with the zero angle or the index pulse. I'm Gordon Ritchie for 2 Minutes of Motion. I hope to see you in our next segment.